What's up guys, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today we're going to review the IPollo version 1. This is a Dogecoin Litecoin miner for your home. And we are here in the pool outside because our sponsor is a pool robot. Aper Sigil 1000 is a robot cleaner for your pool. As you know, when you are mining, there's not much to do. It's pretty boring, so you can chill in the pool. So we're gonna use the robot here to clean it up. Let's go. To start the Aper robot cleaner for your pool, simply twist this. Now it's on. There's a little blue light, okay? And then I have this to grab it once it's done cleaning. So now I'm just gonna toss it to the pool. It's gonna go down and it's gonna clean my pool. So the robot knows to go around and clean the pool. Look how fast it goes. And I can grab it with this strap, no problem. Yep, you can get yours in the link below. While the pool robot cleaner is cleaning, let me show you the IPollo miner. So it is a Wi-Fi miner, which is really nice. That means you don't need to have an Ethernet cable. It came with this little Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz antenna. So you can just run it anywhere in your home. You don't have to have an Ethernet connection next to it, but it does have an Ethernet port just in case you need one. It also comes with a power supply, and that's a big power supply. It's like almost the size of the miner itself. See, maybe half the size or something. And it has those two, looks like VGA regular cables. So you could use a regular power supply, like mining power supply for this, no problem. So it is a 12 volt, 15 amp power supply. So each port is 150 watts or 180 watts even. So total 360 watts power, although I don't think it takes that much. I think it takes about much less than that. First thing we're doing is plugging in those two cables to the power supply. 1 and 2. And then I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the wall. Okay, so here's my setup. I actually hook up the Ethernet cable and the power right next to my router. So then I'll be able to do the initial setup before I set up the Wi-Fi. And this is actually an Ethereum Classic miner, not a Litecoin like I said before, which makes it even better because you can mine more. Okay, so we have our IPollo Ethereum Classic miner turned on and connected to my Ethernet cable to my router. I open up Advanced Port Scanner and found it. The IP address is 252 at the end. It depends on what you have. I open it on the browser and here it is. This is the IPollo login. Now I'm gonna go to root and I'm gonna put the password root as well. Boom, let's log in. And we can see we're already hashing at 84 mega hashes. That's pretty cool, and it's going up and it's gonna go all the way up, I believe, to 130. Now this is in Chinese, so I'm gonna change it to English. Here we go. So we can see the fan speed, you can see the temperature of the chip and everything, and it's running. That's pretty cool. To set it up, now all I have to do is change this pool configuration to an Ethereum Classic pool, whatever pool you desire, and then you're done. And I can also do wireless, plug it into my Wi-Fi, and then I can put the miner anywhere I want, anywhere there's Wi-Fi. I don't have to have it next to the router. Now let's give it some time to hash and we'll go see how high it goes. And then we're also gonna go to a mining calculator to see how much money we make. So let's wait a little and see what happens. Okay, so I've been running the IPollo V1 for a little while, and I don't know if you can hear it, it's very quiet. I'm gonna get close to the microphone. Okay, that's how loud it is. So it's one of the most quiet miners ever. The power supply is not even budging, so I bet you we're only pulling like 100 watts or something. All right, I've been waiting for a while to see how fast it will go, and it actually reached 134 mega hashes. It seems to be very stable on Ethereum Classic. So we're making about $1.40 a day, or about $41 a month with 3 Ethereum Classic coins. You can mine the whole 3 Ethereum Classic, depending on what the price is, right? Right now the crypto market is really low, so 3 coins is only worth 42 bucks or so. Very happy with this miner. If you wanna grab one, go to www.bitcoinmerch.com. This is my website. You can buy it directly from us. We are a distributor for IPollo. Let's go back to our pool and check our robot cleaner. Here's our robot cleaning right there. Look, it's even competing against the original old robot. It's doing a much better job. right there. See, it hits it, boom, continue going the other way, no problem. And if you want to get one, check in the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't worry guys, the market is really bad right now, I know, but there's still a lot of cool things to see about crypto and do. I'll continue mining. Peace, bye.